Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So, in the last video, I would have shown you guys how I use gel coloring and an immersion blender to get my buttercream from this to this, and I absolutely love it. If you haven't checked out that video, please do feel free to subscribe. If you want to see more, you can leave me any comments of anything you'd like to see or anything you'd like to know or any ideas or anything like that. And I do have a previous video of how I prepped my cake dummies with the cling wrap, and here I am frosting the cake dummy. Now, I am so accustomed to frosting like a regular cake, frosting it top to bottom. And I'm learning that with a cake dummy, because it's so light, I really need to frost the sides, then the top, so that I could put my hand on the top to stabilize it. So yeah. And red is it's a lovely color to work with, but it's so messy. It can be so messy or give the appearance that it's messier than other colors to work with. So I just wanted to make sure that I got the buttercream all around. And what I'm going to do is smooth that out. And I left it in my refrigerator overnight. So this would be your crumb coat. So now I'm taking my bench scraper as it's much shorter, and I'm using it to just smooth out the buttercream. Now, the immersion blender, not only does it get your colors very bold, but it also smooths out the buttercream a lot, like silky smooth. So it's really easy to work with, and you can work with it right after using it using the blender, as opposed to the other heating methods there are. You have to put it to chill and all of that. So I just neatened this up, and I did put it in the fridge overnight, and I did notice a difference. Like, the color actually continues to deepen even more. So I felt like I could have put like a little less food coloring, and I am going to test that theory out, because I think in total I probably would have put like a tablespoon and a half of coloring, and I would probably just stick to 1 tablespoon and see how that develops. But again, it depends on how soon you need your actual buttercream. So here I am the next day, and because it was all chilled, I took my metal scraper and I just ran some warm water over it and dried it a bit. And the metal conducts the heat. So it's going to hold the heat from that warm water. And when you pass it over your buttercream, it smooths it out even more. And I kind of liked how this gave like a glossy look. Hubby told me it looked like, when long time they would paint your step, like your outdoor step, red. He said it reminded him of that. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it really does. It's giving red step. And I love it. So here, what I see with a lot of beginners is that they don't they have trouble creating even spaces for their dollops on top. So I was just kind of showing you start with one, go in the opposite direction, and then from there you could determine half of that on each side. And when you have four, you could either do two in between or just one. I chose to do one, and you get nice even space, because that, remember, when your clients see your cake, even if it's just family or friends, they're going to eat with their eyes first. So here I am putting some gold sprinkles on. Now I've had these sprinkles for a while, and I just said let me use them because they started to go like a little dull. Yeah, and got some scratches, and it's not something I would put on a cake for a customer. So I put some big ones on the inside. I used a 1M tip for the top, by the way, and then I just sprinkled the smaller. I love this style. This is just, I love to see gold, and I think it goes well with any color. So I loved how it popped on the red, and it made the red pop even more, you know. And so this is a very simple decoration, and I loved it. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. And again, let me know if there's anything you'd like to see. Tell me what color you'd like to see me try with the immersion blender. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.